What are the advantages of EB1A green card application? The EB1 Extraordinary Ability, EB1A, immigration category is reserved for those at the top of their field who have a record of sustained national or international acclaim. For a person who may qualify for EB1A, applying for this immigration category is a much better choice and quicker way to obtain U.S. green card than the labor certification. The EB1A application does not require labor certification. Furthermore, an applicant can do self-application for the EB1A application, which means that the applicant does not need a specific sponsorship from U.S. employer, or even a job offer. The only requirement is that the person must stay in the same field during the application process. A job offer is not required under the EB1 Extraordinary Ability category, and the foreign national does not need an employer sponsor to file the EB1A application. The burden of proof in EB1A application rests solely with the petitioner. The petitioner has to provide substantial evidence of the 3 out of 10 regulatory criteria that the alien is attempting to satisfy, or evidence of a one-time major prize. If a beneficiary is qualified, the probability of success depends largely on the way the case is presented. For many foreign nationals, the EB1 Extraordinary Ability is an attractive immigration category, because the immigrant visas are normally current for everyone in the EB1 categories, and it also allows self-petition without U.S. employers' sponsorship and even a job offer. Generally, the major advantages of EB1 Extraordinary Ability application include: 1. No labor certification is required for Form I-140 filing under EB1 aliens with extraordinary ability. 2. The immigrant visas are normally current for EB1A for most of the time and most countries, so it is much faster to obtain a U.S. green card in this category than other categories under EB2 and EB3. 3. No U.S. employer sponsorship is required, thus an alien immigrant can self-petition the EB1A with the USCIS. 4. A job offer from the U.S. employer is not required for EB1 aliens with extraordinary ability. 5. The self-petition is allowed. You can do the EB1A petition by yourself. You do not have to hire a lawyer for your EB1A application, and you do not need a U.S. employer as your sponsor. Without the requirement of labor certification or a sponsorship of U.S. employer, the EB1A applicants enjoy the following 3 additional advantages. A. The labor certification is a long-time process. Therefore, bypassing the labor certification process is really an advantage of EB1A, and it makes EB1A much faster than other immigration categories requiring the labor certification. B. Another advantage of EB1A application is that some employers are reluctant to sponsor a foreign employee green card application. This is especially true during the U.S. economic descending time. In such a situation, an employer may not want to begin a labor certification process, and an alien employee cannot apply for a labor certification by himself or herself without the sponsorship from employer. C. The EB1 Extraordinary Ability immigration category is similar to EB1 Outstanding Researcher or Professor, but the EB1A does not require an employment position to be permanent or on tenure track. The alien applicants without a permanent job position. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.